children, hope that all are safe and healthy at home. Today we are going to discuss about the topic of liquids. Here children, you already know the properties of liquids. Liquids have definite volume, definite mass but no definite shape. They can flow. Let us do one of the activity. Here children, you all like to play, right? You all just form a circle and few of the students can come out of the circle and few of the students be inside the circle to move out. Now link yourself to one another by simply holding hands. Now note down the distance between you and others and again try to move away from one place to the other place. Yeah children, this is very little easier, right, to move away? Yes? Yeah children, in this you are like a molecules in a liquid, right, which are very less tightly packed as compared to solids. Yeah children, there are empty spaces between them. The force of attraction between the molecules are not very strong. Therefore, it is possible for the molecules to move around in different directions. Yeah children, this allows the liquid to flow, right, and change their shape. Their volume, however, will be remain fixed. Let us now discuss about some of the examples like water, milk, kerosene, etc. Yeah children, let us now discuss about water. Suppose there are two people named Nani and Ritu. We are transferring 1 liter of water from the vessel into an empty bottle which is filled with 2 liters of water. How much water do you think will be there in both bottle now? Yeah children, what is the shape of the water easier in the vessel? Yeah children, this Nani and Ritu has changed the water from vessel to a bottle. There is a change in shape of a water, right? In vessel, water will be in vessel shape, and water bottle, it will be in bottle shape. Means there is a change in shape of liquid form. Yeah children, let us now do with one more activity again. Yeah children, the same activity but a quite difference, right? All of the students just form a circle and inside it again stand in a circle. Do not hold your hands together at this time. Note the distance between you and others children. Try to move in different directions. What happens? Do some students go too far and some stay closer, right? Does the circle change the shape? Definitely yes, it changes the shape. This time the molecules are in the form of a gas. Molecules in gases are loosely packed which has the lots of empty spaces between them. The force of attraction between the molecules are very weak, thus they can move away from each other very easily. That is why gases neither have fixed shape nor fixed volume, right children? They can spread in the space available to them. How the molecules of water vapor spread into the whole room when they come out of a hot kettle fixed with water. Here children, here they are mainly filled with water, right? This is nothing but water vapor, and the water vapor form which is there is nothing but gaseous state. They move far away, right? They are not supposed to be close together. Here the gaseous form which can be formed can also convert into the liquid state. Means there is a change in states of matter. Yeah children, let me also do one more activity. The space between two molecules is called the intermolecular space, right? Let us discuss about the activity between Nani and Ritu. Here children, their mother gave their chocolate to both of them. She calls Nani and Ritu, says that please take these chocolates both of you. This is your reward for helping me so much. Ritu and Nani were jumping out of joy. Nani ate the chocolate then and there, but Ritu kept the chocolate on the table itself and forgot to eat, right? Next day when she was just want to eat the chocolate. She saw the chocolate. What happened? She found that the chocolate was fully melted. She is wondering how can a solid chocolate lose its shape. Means there is a change in states of matter. Here the solid form is converted into liquid state. Means there is a change in states of matter. Yeah children, I hope that everyone understood the topic of liquids and gases and also change in states of matter. In later on session I am going to discuss about the different changes in states of matter. Thank you. Have a nice day children.